What's up, YouTube, and welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you drop a like and please subscribe to the channel. So today we are doing an unboxing of the Redcat Kaiju. Let's get into the video. So today we have the unboxing of the Redcat Kaiju, as you can see. And let's open it up. I love this blue that's on here. It's really neat. Of course, you have our instructions right here. And the tools that come with it. Put those to the side. Controller. Plastic off. Wow, this thing is pretty neat. See what the under look like. Like how they have the Redcat logo and the tires. Take a look at what's under it. I see it come with a net already, a little dust net. Feels more like a stocking cap, which it is. Okay. Strap for the battery tray. Servo is 25 kilograms. Nice hobby wing motor. Also had the LED lights on it, front and back. This is very nice though. Adjustable woolly bars on here. 4 settings you can adjust your woolly bars. You do need an alley key to do it. And nice shocks, aluminum. Feels pretty good. So let's take a look at this controller right here. So this is my first time owning a Redcat, so I don't know too much about their controller. I see it has a auxiliary port on the controller right here in the back. Don't know if you guys can see that, but it has an auxiliary port. And you got your on and off buttons, your steering control, your trim, your throttle, and your steering dial rate. You have your throttle reverse, which is normal and reverse. You have your bind button on here, and you also have steering reverse, normal and reverse. So we're gonna get into the video of taking it outside.